Hey everyone, I'm Andy T with the T Group.
And I'm Alicia Woodward.
We're super excited to bring you our newest listing, 1698 Nightingale Avenue in Sunnyvale, California. We're located in one of our favorite parts of all of Sunnyvale. Well, we're literally across the street from the new Apple campus. Right around the corner is Raynor Park, the Sunnyvale Soccer Center. Just down the way is the Cupertino Village with tons of restaurants and shops. There's also Cupertino Market, and my personal favorite, just a few minutes away, is Whole Foods. Now the property itself is absolutely stunning. Built in 2017, this house has it all. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage. We have just under 2,300 square foot of living space on a lot that's over 6,000 square feet.
This home was built in 2017 and it has all the beautiful top-line finishes that you're looking for. Inside are beautiful engineered hardwood floors, tile floors, dual pane windows and sliders, and even a built-in sound system. We also have award-winning Sunnyvale schools including Laurelwood Elementary, Peterson Middle, and Wilcox High School.
As you can see, this property is absolutely stunning. I love the vaulted ceilings, the recessed lights, gorgeous floor treatments, and an amazing gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Let's go around and take a closer look.
Welcome to 1698 Nightingale Avenue in Sunnyvale, California. Step through the wrought iron French doors and into the formal entry, where you are greeted with tall ceilings and a beautiful mosaic tile design. A powder room is located off the entry area and features a floating vanity with a basin sink and waterfall faucet. The spacious kitchen features a large island with blue pearl granite countertops, ample cabinet space, under cabinet accent lighting, and stainless steel appliances including an LG French door refrigerator, LG 5 cooktop gas range, dishwasher, microwave, and a wine refrigerator. An open concept great room has an easy to operate electric fireplace, French sliding doors which provide backyard access, and a spacious dining area perfect for entertaining. The owner's suite has a large walk-in closet with an organizing system, electric fireplace, and a sliding door to backyard access. The primary ensuite bathroom features a jetted tub, stall shower with frameless glass enclosure, and vanity with ample storage space and a beautiful basin sink. The junior primary suite has its very own separate entrance, and it has a spacious closet and its very own full ensuite bathroom with a frameless glass stall shower, floating vanity, and beautiful quartz countertops. There are 2 additional spacious bedrooms, each with their own cozy bay window. The third full bathroom is located between the 2 additional bedrooms and features a shower over tub, frameless glass enclosure, and a vanity with a basin sink and blue pearl granite countertop. The landscaped backyard is complete with a stamped concrete patio, a newly installed fence, automatic irrigation, and colorful flower beds. Thank you so much for taking the time to view 1698 Nightingale Avenue in Sunnyvale, California. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a tour, please give us a call today.
Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of 1698 Nightingale Avenue in Sunnyvale, California. If you have any questions about this stunning home, would like to set up a private tour, or any questions about Sunnyvale real estate in general, please feel free to give us a call. I'm Andy T with the T Group.
And I'm Alicia Woodward.
See you soon.